Hello all. The topic we are going to see about today is GAN network. GAN network means a generative adversarial network. It is similar to CNN, which is abbreviated as convolutional neural network. Basically, convolutional neural network is used for image classification. GAN is also used for image classification, but the main difference between GAN network and CNN is by using GAN network we can get much more clarified image classifier compared to a CNN. Right, like in a GAN network there are two phases, whereas the first one is generator and the second one is discriminator. Generator will get the input in terms of numerical order, and then it will process it and give the output as an image. The output image which has been generated by a generator will be the input for discriminator, and that discriminator will check that the image given by the generator is a real one or a fake one. So if in this process, in this GAN, there are many types of GAN network, and in this type of GAN network there are the input is being in which is of numerical form is given to the generator G, and Z means noise in the data. So the numerical data combined with the noise data is given to the generator, and generator will create an image which will be given as an output. So that image output is given to the generator D, whereas the the discriminator will find whether the image given by the generator is a real one or a fake one. For example, the generator is creating an image which is of real one, and discriminator fails to detect it as a real image, that is the output what we are getting from the discriminator is fake, means the discriminator part has failed to detect the correctness of the output. So what the discriminator part needs to do means it needs to self-analyze it and update it discriminator part algorithm and need to recheck or re-verify it. Whereas the vice versa scenario also can happen. The image generated by the generator is a real one, and discriminator finds it exactly as the real image, means the the generator part has failed to give the more accurate output, and the generator needs to rework on its algorithm, and again it needs to give the resultant output as an image, which is very hard to detect for the discriminator to find whether the given image or the generated image given by the generator is a real or fake one. So GAN network is basically also called as zero name game. Why it is called as zero name game means, just like I said in prior, that if the discriminator fails to detect the correctness, that is the output given by the generator is a real or fake one, it needs to reanalyze it and needs to update its algorithm, and vice versa scenario also can happen. So that such kind of scenario is called as zero name game. So the GAN network also has another name called zero name game. Thank you.